Hello student, today we are start our next steroid is the testosterone. Testosterone is there are at least 5 steroidal hormone which exhibit a typical androgenic activity. All are the derivative of androsten. Then isolation. Testosterone was isolated for the first time by E. Lacquer et at 1935 from testes. From 100 kg of testes they obtain 10 mg of testosterone. Then next, the earlier attempt of isolating testosterone failed due to its instability in the presence of alkali. This is the structure of testosterone. Testosterone contains one double bond present in C4 and C5 carbon atom, one ketonic group and one alcoholic group. Then next point is the constitution of testosterone. The molecular formula of testosterone is C19H28O2. Second point, it is a tetracyclic compound. Third, the testosterone contains one double bond, one ketonic group and one secondary alcoholic group. Fourth point is it contains the alpha beta unsaturated ketone which is confirmed by the UV spectrum. The lambda max value is 240 nanometer. Then fifth point, the UV spectrum and its sensitivity. Alkali strongly supported the fact that testosterone is structurally related to the progesterone. Then last point is finally the structure of testosterone is confirmed by its synthesis Ruzicka and the Bunnender in 1935. The next point is the synthesis of testosterone. This is the structure, the starting material of the synthesis of testosterone is cholesterol. This is the structure of cholesterol. This is the side chain of cholesterol. This cholesterol is oxidized. It gives the dihydrophenandrosterone, means oxidation. This side chain is break and form the ketonic group. Then in next step, this compound is treated is the acetylation. This OH group is protected with AC group, and then second in NaCH3 in the presence of NaCH3H7OH, this ketonic group is converted into the alcoholic group. Then in next step, in the presence of C6H5COCl and again is the hydrolysis. Then C6H5CO is attached to this oxygen atom and HCl, this H and Cl is removed, and then next in the presence of hydrolysis this acetyl group is deacetylate and formation of the OH group. Then in last it gives the oxidation. This alcohol group is converted into the ketonic group, and in the presence of hydrolysis, in the presence of KOH, it gives this group is removed with potassium and OH group is attached to this carbon atom, and formation of the testosterone. The testosterone is contain one double bond, one alcoholic group, one ketonic group, and this is the phenanthrene nucleus, that is phenanthrene ring, and this is all about the synthesis of testosterone.